Siz tanımlayın. Böyle Telegram'da oyundan olsanız çıkar. Videoyu koyuyoruz.
Okay, good morning, dear students. Today, 22nd of April, and today's our theme is other ways word formations. If you remember, our last lecture was about word forming. Do you remember?
Yes.
Now let's check your presents. Absamadova Munira Isroilovnaning, Jabborov John, Mavzu, Mulayeva Raikona, Naimova Sevara, Nematova Mavzu, Normamatova Marjona, Radimova Dinora, Raimgirdieva Dinora, Samarboyeva Mohinur, Shamsiddinov Tunio,
I'm here.
Shamuratova Shahnoza,
I'm here.
Shkurvalova, Suparkova Mahfuza,
Here.
Toshpo'latova Sevinch, Tuxtayeva Gulbahor, Tuxtayeva Farangiz. Absent, please.
Here.
Doctor is here.
In the one on the Now I have some questions for you. Please pay attention. Try to be active and answer the question. First question, what is derivation and how does it change the meaning of a base word? What is derivation?
It is prefix or suffix.
Raise your hand, stand up and answer please.
Derivation is the prefix or suffix to base or words. For example, unhappy, unhappiness.
Okay. Do you have another variance for this question? What is derivation? Okay, our second question. Explain compounding and give 3 examples of compound words in English. Compounding. Do you remember? It's the main important way of word forming. Yes? Compounding. You, please.
Compounding is making words with the help of two root words. For example, we can create a lot of words, and it is one of the effective ways of making the new words. For example, sunflower, blackbird, and also we can say wallpaper.
Thank you for your answer. Next question. How does blending differ from compounding? Do you remember what is blending? From the word branch. Let's remember. What is blending? Blending. Branch. Do you remember 2 parts of 2 words? For example, breakfast and lunch. Branch. Word branch. What is abbreviation? What is abbreviation? Or another name of this group is acronyms.
Yes.
Acronym. What is acronym? Do you remember? Bunyote, you please.
Taking the first letters of the whole words is abbreviation, like NASA. We can take an example of this word, and we have UN and USA. These are the abbreviations, and the first letters are taken.
Acronyms. Okay. What is conversion? Can you define the word or term conversion? Another student? Girls, be active, please. Try to define conversion. If you remember, conversion was what? On your day?
So the conversion is the changing the part of speech of a kind of word without any changes. Just we can convert this kind of words like we can take an example of yes, Google. It is can be noun. This word can be noun and also can be verb. This kind of words can be an example of conversion.
Conversion. You also want to answer for this question?
Yes, I'm going to give example for conversion. For example, to fall and a fall.
Or to cook and cook. Yes?
Yes.
To fall and fall. Okay, very good. Okay, another question for you. Describe with clipping. Clipping. Do you remember clipping? Shortening, clipping. What was it?
Can I?
You please.
Shortening form rather than longer, for example, telephone or phone.
Or another example.
Advertisement
Or fantastic, fantasy.
Yes.
What?
Absamadova.
Hamburger.
Yes.
Burger. Sorry. Okay, very good. Thank you. Now let's play a video. Watch the video about word forming.
Word formation rules. Suffix able. Adjectives from verbs.
Please pay attention because I have some questions according to this video. Okay?
Verbs. Comfort. Control. Enjoy. Understand. Adjectives. Comfortable. Controllable. Enjoyable. Understandable. We use the suffix able to make adjectives from verbs. Comfort, comfortable. Control, controllable. Enjoy, enjoyable. Understand, understandable. The suffix able means it is possible to do it. For example, it is possible to enjoy, it is enjoyable. It is possible to understand, it is understandable. Read the adjectives again. Comfortable. Controllable. Enjoyable. Understandable. Suffix ism. Nouns from adjectives. Adjectives. Military. Social. Fatal. Optimistic. Nouns. Militarism. Socialism. Fatalism. Optimism. The suffix ism means a state or a notion. For example, military, militarism. Social, socialism. Fatal, fatalism. Optimism. There are a lot of military cars. Militarism is a dangerous policy. Suffix ist. nouns from nouns. Geology, guitar, piano, psychology. Geologist, guitarist, pianist, psychologist. The suffix ist means a person or a professional. Geology, geologist. Guitar, guitarist. Piano, pianist. Psychology, psychologist. I have a guitar, but I'm not a guitarist.
Okay, the video was understandable for you?
Yes.
Here we could see the word forming, especially suffixation, yes? Now I have an activity for you. You should match the affixation with the root, okay? If you want, you may do it in pair. It's a pair word. For you, girls. Below is mixed list of prefixes, suffixes, and root words. Match them correctly to form real English words. Then write the new word and its meaning. The meaning is doesn't matter you should write the meaning or not, but you should write match. First of all, match, please, affix and root. Then here you should write new word. You have only 5 minutes for this task. Please be quick. Don't use your phones, okay? Just match the word and write new word to your paper. Don't write the meaning, okay? Just new words. Now you have only 3 minutes. Be quick, please. One minute. Have you finished? Okay. What about others? Be quick, please. Let's check words. Okay. First one. Teacher. Teacher. Second one.
Fearless.
Third one.
React.
Overreact.
What?
Reaction.
Reaction. Reactive. Also, alright. Okay. The next word.
Leader.
Leader. The next word. Joyful. The next one.
Development.
Development. Okay. The next one.
Impossible.
The next one. Quickly. The next one. Reader. The next one. Leader. Okay. The next one.
Sensible.
Mhm. The next one.
Unknown.
Unknown. The next one.
Creative.
Creative. Okay. The next word is rewrite. The next one is understand. Okay. The next one is
Dangerous.
dangerous. And the next one is
Review.
review. Alright.
Correctly.
Incorrectly.
Or incorrect.
Incorrect. Also right. Okay. The next one.
Kindness.
Kindness. Okay. The last one is
Disagree.
disagree. Okay. Thank you. You are very active and all your answers are right. Now let's play a game in Mavzu. Here you are first group, okay, and you are second group. You should choose a number and answer for this question. Please, first team, choose a number. 7. Okay, let's check. Here, question. There are 8 inflectional morphemes in English. Can you name 3 of them? Inflectional morphemes. What is inflectional morphemes? Do you remember? When you're big, please your answer.
So, inflectional morphemes cannot change the verb or cannot create a new word. So that we can take 3 examples for inflectional morphemes. They are s, ed, and ing.
ing, es, plural form s,
And
ed. Okay, let's check. Okay, plural, third person in verbs, ing, ed. Okay, it's correct answer. And you have 15 balls there. Okay,
11.
11 or 15?
9.
11. 15? Oh, go to first place. Okay, it's your turn. Please choose a number.
8.
Okay, 8. Is the following statement true or false? The word books has a free morphem and an inflectional morphem. It's true or false?
it is true.
Yes, it's true. What about others? Do you think it's true? Let's check. True. It's correct answer.
11.
Take points from team one.
You can
25.
Now your turn. Choose a number, please.
5.
5. Is the following statement true or false? Why conjunctions, prepositions, articles, and pronouns are examples of free morphemes? The free morphemes, conjunctions, prepositions, articles, pronouns, they can stand alone or not? Do you remember?
Yeah,
What do you think? Why?
they are free morphemes because most of them have their own meaning.
And can stand,
Can stand alone.
Yes.
That's the reason they are free
They
morphemes.
have their functions. Yes.
Yes.
Okay, let's check your answer. Yes, they are. These are function words that can stand on their own. They do not need anything to have full meaning. That's why it's correct answer. Your turn,
10.
please. 10. 3 words that have the morpheme are
Development.
enjoyment.
Improvement.
okay. I think it's correct answer. Your turn, please.
12.
How would you analyze the word remake morphologically? Analyze this word.
Morphologically.
Girls, be active, please. Try to analyze.
Make is free morpheme, read is bound morpheme, and it's derivation from
Prefix.
morpheme prefix.
Okay, stand up and louder. Explain please your analyze.
The word remake can be analyzed morphologically, and it's like make is pre-morpheme, and it's stem of the word, and the re is bound morpheme, and it's prefix.
Prefix.
Derivation.
Okay, let's check your answer. The word remake is made of a prefix, as you said. That means again, and the pre-morpheme or root, make, remake, and to make, and again. It's correct answer. Your
13.
13. Going to line, please. Okay, your turn.
1.
A synonym of grapheme is letter. It's true or false? Grapheme and letter are synonyms?
Yes.
It's true? Let's check your answer. True. When you come across the word grapheme, this is actually the same as letter. 16. Okay, your turn.
9.
9. Which are the morphemes that indicate plural in English? Okay, your answers. Yours? Can you have answers? Which are the morphemes that indicate plural in English? It's a very simple question. S, yes. S and ES. It's correct answer. Now your turn. 3. What are the 3 dimensions of word analysis? I told about this last lesson, if you remember. 3 dimensions.
Meaning.
Yes, one of them is meaning.
Grammar is structure.
Structure. And the last one is
Lexicon.
meaning, structure, and what?
Word formation.
Okay, let's
Word
check
formation.
form, meaning, and usage. Okay, you please. Numbers. Choose a number 2. 3 words in English that has a morpheme these are disagree,
Dishonest.
dishonest,
Disrespectful.
oh, respectful. Okay. Now your turn. 14. 14. What morpheme would you add to the word respectful to make it opposite? Respectful. Okay, respectful. Now your turn. Please choose a number. 4. Is the following statement true or false? Why? Suffixes can be derivational and inflectional. True. Do you remember? It's true. Why? Okay, true. Suffixes go after the root or stem of a word and they can be derivational and inflectional. Okay, your question. What type of morphemes are ly ablement?
Derivation.
Derivation. Your hand, please. Full answer. What type of morphemes are ly ablement?
These are
Derivational. Let's
Don't say that.
first team. I congratulate you. Thank you for your active participation.
27 minut. 28 minut.